Hey guys! I actually wanted to go over happiness and some tips on how to be a happier person. Well, I feel like the number one thing to meditate, focusing on your breaths. There's apps for that. I use this app called Oak. Another thing that helps is if you journal. Anything that makes you happy, anything that positive that happens to you, anything that you think of that's positive, random acts of kindness. So this could be just, giving compliments to strangers, helping an old lady at the store with her groceries, anything. Whatever you put out there comes back. That's it. Leaving the past in the past, you can't change it. You can only do better next time. I need to forgive myself and others, because people, they know what they're doing when they did it, so why should you forgive them? But, forgiveness doesn't necessarily mean that, or saying that what they did was okay. Think about things you're grateful for. So at least 5 things. Also, I think it's important that you take action on your goals, because if it's one thing to have a goal and think of doing something, but to actually make it happen, become a better dancer. It's important to know that you got yourself, and at the end of the day, you're in control of your own life. Okay, boo? So don't make that stuff happen. Make your goals happen. Become a better version of you. Okay, upgrade yourself. Blow up, boo. That's what it is. Okay. So this one's really important. I feel like everyone should listen to this advice. Keep what you think, say, and do in harmony. Or if you say something, make sure you stick with it. Don't follow others. Like exercise. I love to exercise. If it's just going on a run, going on a walk at the beach, yoga, swimming. There's also get enough sleep. If you're tired, you're gonna be drowsy and you'll be irritated, and people are gonna piss you off. If I'm tired, I'll cuss you out. But drink water to keep yourself hydrated. If you're not hydrated, you're gonna be a thirsty bitch. And you know what thirsty bitches do? Maintain your physical, emotional health. Keep your hygiene in check. Take at least 2 showers a day, or you're dirty. Nah, but make sure you smile and laugh. Do anything that makes you happy. That could be hanging out with your friends and family, on the beach. Key to happiness: knowing what makes you happy and knowing what makes you unhappy, and canceling out what makes you unhappy. And you want to keep a positive mindset. Thanks for watching, and follow these tips. Okay, boo. Do you.